Okay, Mrs. N. Distillery. What?
The Distillery District.
The
There's
district.
a big picture there.
Oh, there. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a nice place. What is it though? I don't even know what this place
This is a place where there's so many restaurants, bars, pubs. They have the famous Christmas market, the biggest Christmas tree during the Christmas season. A lot of art places, really cool place, trendy to hang out. Very hipster.
Okay.
We're hipsters today.
Okay.
Don't we help me?
Okay, this is it. This is what you do. You rent these things and off you go. You should get yourself a camcorder.
Okay, ciao, ciao.
Bye, see you later. There's that big spider, whatever that is. It looks like from the movie Wars of the World. When the aliens attack, the Martians attack. It's really cold, Mr. N. I think we forgot to mention that. It's only 6 degrees.
I know, we thought it was going to be a perfect sunny day.
And but everyone's out and about.
Art is love. I think, Mr. N, it's actually, when they have events here, it's much more vibey. So, but this
I'm
is
very
just a
impressed
place.
with this thing here from Wars of the World.
With the one eye.
Yeah, Wars of the World, the movie.
A bit of history.
Of what?
They actually, in the old days, thought that gin actually helped to get rid of influenza. So a lot of people used to drink a lot of gin.
It's all the different religions. Corktown. So this is Locks of Love, Mrs. N.
Whatever you guys want to do.
Voila. Mr. N, if you ever leave me, there's the key. Come get the lock.
Oh yeah, we came here with Kylo. This is Kylo when he's a puppy, we brought him here. It smells good here, Mrs. N. Something smells really good. I'm starving. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know why you've got...
Here's our red Valentine lock.
It actually sticks out. Good idea, Mrs. N.
Sadly, sometimes this is where the locks land up. And some marriages maybe too. In the garbage bin.
What the heck, Mrs. N? Okay, Mrs. N. That was nice. We're on our way back now to get picked up by our
guide.
guide.
He's taking us to another part of town. But I must say we really enjoyed this distillery district. And we didn't have time, but if you want to have a meal here, whoa, such delicious aromas.
Yeah. I like this guy. Have you ever watched the movie Wars of the World? They came out in tripods and looked like this. Okay, Mrs. N. Let's go.
Okay.
Next spot. It's getting a little chilly.